So my Mercedes-Benz remote doesn't work anymore. I cannot open, close it. So probably the battery is dead. So first thing to do is buy a battery. It's CR2025. I got one open already. Yep, focus CR2025. I think it's like around 11 bucks, including tax. So it's hard with one hand, but you need to slide this button over here. This one, you slide it. Then once you slide it out, the key, the manual key will be released. And it's I don't have my tripod with me, but yep. Slide it out. This is the manual key when your keyfob is busted. And then you need a small precision screwdriver, and you're gonna pick this side over here. Yep, it will open up. Then you could slide this battery out. Yeah, stuff with one hand holding the camera. Now I have the battery, the old battery out. It's Panasonic. I'm going to, so this plus sign is facing up. Just drop it. Then put the cover back in. And test it. There you go. Lock. Unlock. Yep, working. Time to put the manual key back in. Yep. Okay, it's working.